Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. Today is going to be a short video. It's a lookout. I'm over here on the Palisades Parkway in New Jersey, and we are at the Rockefeller Lookout. And just beyond that right there is the Hudson River. So I'm going to give you a little walk over here, and we're going to check it out, check out the scenic view. Maybe you could even see the bridge right through the trees, but we're going to go over there where you're going to see a little bit more. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. Look, we got a little hangout overlook right here where everybody comes. We park the cars over here and walk in right to about there, and look, we got people taking photographs already. Let's see what we can see up here. Yep, this is a cool spot right here. You get the full view of the George Washington Bridge right there and the entire Hudson River. Check that out. Beautiful view here. Nice scenic view. You can see all of that with the Manhattan over there. I forget the name of that bridge right there. That connects the entire roadway up there at the George, crossing over to the other side there. Oh, I know what that is. I'm sorry. That is the 9A. That's what it is, the 9A. The 9A goes up north or south. That's actually a highway. I'll put it down at the bottom when I remember. And so yeah, look, you can see, I don't know if you can see it from here, but the entire Manhattan skyline right there, just beyond the George Washington Bridge. All right, so there you have it. We have the first lookout. Like I said, it's going to be a short video, and we're going to go to another lookout. Okay, so we're just a little bit more north on the Palisades Parkway, and we are at the Alpine Lookout. Okay, so here's the scenic view right there, and we're gonna go check it out a little closer by the edge there. Okay, so here we are. We're at the edge right there. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see way down there. It's a ridge all the way down. Whoa. There's the rocks right there, the wall rock, and I guess there must be some path down there or something. I do know that there is some type of like a stone building structure down in the path somewhere. I'm not sure, but you could look it up on the New Jersey Palisades Park website, and it'll give you the location. But you have to do the hike to get down in there. So here we are. Oh, look at that. Look at some container ships right there. And then that's the upper west side of Manhattan there. Yep, pretty cool here. So let's go over there to that end. That's the actual overlook. This is just a path just along the ridge here. Let's look at, whoa, wow, we are high. Look at that. Yeah, look at that from this side. That's the overlook there, and that's the ridge. Wow, this is pretty steep here. Good thing for fence. So let's walk over to the other side. Oh, yeah, you get a much better view from this angle. You can see more of the Hudson River that way. Yeah, let's get to the very further out part right here. I don't know if you can still see the, nope, you can't. You can't see the George Washington Bridge. So it's just out of the way, out of those parts over there. So here we are. We are at the next lookout, and this is what it looks like. So you can hit these two spots up anytime you want. I'm not sure if there's a time frame to be in here, but it's just off the Palisades Parkway, which is right there running along. I think this way also, there's some paths that way. I think the trails. I think there's a lot of trails coming up in here. You just got to look it up on the website. It'll give you all that information, trail information. So yeah, so okay, so we're here, and that's it, man. I'm gonna sign out, and I'll get you to the next episode of Location Series. Peace.